Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare the Kraken versus the Bakunawa. We'll explore their origins, unique abilities, and the impact they have on their respective mythologies. Understanding these creatures helps us appreciate the rich tapestry of global folklore. Let's dive into the depths of these fascinating legends and see which one truly reigns supreme in the realm of mythical beasts. The Kraken, a creature of the deep, is often described as an enormous cephalopod. Sailors feared its ability to capsize entire vessels and drag them to the ocean floor. Imagine a beast so vast, its tentacles could encircle a ship. This legendary monster embodies the terrifying, unknown dangers lurking beneath the waves, a true force of nature from Norse mythology. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're battling mythical beasts or just a busy week. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's turn our attention to the Bakunawa, a magnificent sea serpent from Philippine mythology. This creature is not just a destroyer of ships, but a devourer of celestial bodies. It's said to cause lunar eclipses by trying to swallow the moon. People traditionally make loud noises to frighten it, ensuring the moon's return. It's a truly unique and powerful myth. When comparing their power, the Kraken's might is physical and immediate, a direct threat to ships and human lives at sea. The Bakunawa, however, wields cosmic power, influencing the very heavens by attempting to consume the moon. While both are incredibly destructive, their spheres of influence are vastly different. One dominates the ocean, the other, the sky.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.